Hola, hello, hi. Tenemos, we got here a 2012 Audi A6 Quattro. You can see 3.0 A6, 4 little circles, which is Audi. Got the wheel off, got this off, we got all these tools off, we got this off, we got this supercharger, we got this here, we got a lot of stuff. I want you to see it, because what we're doing here is not a simple job. It's not something easy that you can do it just with your hands and stuff like that. No, 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 no. This is something serious. This is something for the pros only. This is something that you're gonna have problems doing it if you do it yourself. So we got here 2012 Audi A6 Quattro, all-wheel drive, obviously. That's what quattro means. So the wheel bearing, hub assembly, we got everything off. We had took the plate off, the rotor off, the caliper off, the sensor off, the bracket for the caliper off, and we got the bearing off. We have a little hard time taking the back bolts out. We had to make a tool to it because nobody sell it around here. See, we cut this 12M socket. This is how original look like, but in the back bottom there is no room for stuff like that, so we had to cut it. We cut too much, obviously. Sorry for that, but we were able to take the bolts out. The bolts that I'm talking about is these bolts right here. They are in the back. They go in here, but they going through the back. So in order to get those bolts from the bottom, you need to take that off. You need to make something like this, or you gotta have a short socket, because there is a bar in the back. That bar right there, it don't give you room for putting it, for taking it off. So right now we about to press the bearing. This is the hub, and this is the bearing. We are about to press it in and just put it back in place, and that will be we'll be done with this show. So we'll be pressing it in a few minutes, just to let you know, so that way you can follow our jobs and stuff like that. This is why we do it, because you can see our jobs and stuff like that. So this is all the tools we had to take off in order to find out a way to get that off. We got it done, we got it out, so good. Thanks a lot. Like I say, 832-618-7291 is my number. Thanks a lot.